Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, January 9th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You might say that we kind of got our cake and got to eat it too today. I was just amazed at what happened. You know, yesterday I was kind of nervous because we had 23 positions, and yet that stock market, even though it came up over 300 points, it bumped its head solidly several times on Bob's red line. It wasn't going to take out that red line, and it closed right about on the red line. So I'm looking at this and figured there's no way this thing's going to go up from here, and yet as much as I like to see the Dow go down when it gets really high, with 23 positions on, I didn't want it to go down. So somehow we managed to get out of all 23 of those positions just in great style, mainly because we're getting out sooner now, and then the part of it, you know, eating your cake and having it too, the Dow went down, closed down 170 points, which I am really happy about. We closed out close to $16,000 in closed out trades. So, you know, we got out of all those positions, we did really well, and then the Dow really kind of gave way, which is good. Is way down below the red line now, and that, you know, that sets us very nice, I think, for this weekend, or you know, for next week. We don't have very much that we're actually holding. We are holding just slightly positive $279. So as far as I'm concerned, we just had a really great day. Anyway, enough of my babble. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you know, you can see this sweep from this bull spike down here 4 days ago all the way up to here to the red line. Yesterday it bumped its head several times on Bob's red line here. It could not get through. This morning it actually tried to penetrate that again, and it actually took out the high from yesterday by just a few points, then immediately backed off. Not enough energy to get through that red line, and you know, sold off. We're well over 200 points down here. It did come back, but settled down 170 points. So that is good. I don't like it being up here on this red line. I would like to see this come back, and quite honestly, as I'm looking at this chart right now, I would say good chance the Dow is going to come back. I would love to see it come back and test this area here. Hey, we had this fantastic, you know, series of trades. Actually, it started about here. We started getting good trades down here, and then all the way up. We did really well. By the way, you know, I told you we closed out about 16,000. We had 15,000 closed out yesterday. You know, that's like $32,000 closed out trades, profits in 2 days. That we need, that we can take. And so I would like to see this thing come back down, maybe test those lows again, and we'll do it all over again. That'd be just great. That would be the perfect scenario for us. Anyway, I'll show you some of the trades we had today. This first one is an NBIX, that's Neurocrine Biosciences, and this thing had this huge gap up on Thursday, and what I like about this, we don't normally play pullbacks. That isn't what we do, but we delay our entries, and so we got a nice pullback here with Neurocrine, and then we held it. It was a little bit against us, but it came back, closed slightly positive yesterday, and then we got some push up today, and even though, because of this big gap, this doesn't look like a huge move here, it is a huge move. We made $4,000 in NBIX. Very nice trade. Very nice trade indeed. I'll show you another good one here. I like this just because I love it when we sell the tops. This is in Expedia, and we bought this thing yesterday, and it just kept moving up, 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 and then it had this little pop-up. Within the first hour, we sold almost the top of this, and this was worth almost $2,000 to us. So very nice trade in Expedia. Finally, lastly but not least, if I can navigate here, yeah, here we go. This is in Yelp. Yelp is a wild market. But it's a good market. It's volatile. We bought this yesterday about midday and didn't do too much after we got into it, but we had this nice big gap up this morning, and even though it pulled back a little on us, we're still doing very, very well with that. And we have over $2,000 in Yelp. Looks like a really good trade. We'll just have to hang on to Monday. We don't know what's going to happen, though. Anyway, terrific day. Terrific day. Any day we close out $16,000 in closeout trades. Can't ask for better than that. This is Trader Bob signing off. Yeah, you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to have a great weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.